I think I might also just express that we have this product. It's really easy to transport. It's value dense. Humboldt County doesn't have that. I mean, we have lumber, which is very difficult to move around the countryside and very environmentally impactful to harvest. We also have cattle, which are also heavy and alive, and until they're not. Those both are viable industries for Humboldt County, but they're not as value dense as cannabis. And that's really, I think, a huge win for us. And that's one of the golden eggs that we need to really hold on to this for, is that that value dense product, it has the capacity to bring a lot of value back into our really remote landscapes. And it's much less expensive for our government to do it by supporting those farmers and bringing their own money to those remote landscapes than to supporting after those places collapse and trying to figure how to unravel those problems. So that's a brief piece on market access.